Hi everyone, in this question we'll use the AC method for factoring the following quadratic expressions. There are a number of ways of factoring quadratic expressions, but this is probably one of the faster ways. The first thing to do is rewrite your expression in the general form, and this is already in general form, so that would be ax squared plus bx plus c. So we can see in our question we have a being equal to 6, b is equal to 7, and c is equal to 2. So AC method gets its name from the following. We have A equals 6 and C equals 2. So AC is equal to the product of A and C, which will be 12. And we also need to know that B equals 7. So what we do now is that we look for two numbers that when we multiply them, we'll get 12, which is AC. And when you add those numbers, you'll get 7. So in this case, the numbers would be 3 and 4. So 3 fours are 12, and 3 plus 4 is 7. So this is the AC part, and this is the B part. What we do now is we rewrite our question as 6x squared. Now the 7x gets turned to 3x plus 4x, because 3 plus 4 is 7. So those numbers in yellow are used to change the middle term of your expression, and then we add the 2 on the end. So now we'll factor by grouping. We'll factor these two terms, and then we'll factor the last two terms. So we'll have the common factor being 3x. For a 3x, bracket 2x plus 1, plus the common factor of 4x and 2 would be 2, bracket 2x plus 1. So you see now you have 2x plus 1 as a common factor. So we'll write that as 2x plus 1. And then you are left with 3x plus 2 as the second factor. So this is your factored form of the expression. You may like to pause the video and try the second one yourself using the same method. So for the second question, we can see that A equals 5, B equals -7, C equals 2. So AC is equal to 5 times 2, which is 10, and B is -7. So we are looking for two numbers that when you multiply them, you'll get AC, which is 10, and when you add them, you'll get B, which is -7. So by guessing and checking, you should get -2 plus -5, which is -7, and -2 times -5, which is 10. So the two values you want are -2 and -5. So let's rewrite our question as 5x squared minus 5x minus 2x, which is -7x. And then we add the 2 on, plus 2. Let's factor these two pairs. We will get 5x bracket x minus 1 minus 2 bracket x minus 1. So be careful here, you've got -2 times -1, which is +2. So our common factor is x minus 1 from here and here, and then we are left with 5x minus 2 as the second factor. So this is your quadratic expression in factored form. Thanks for watching.